You spend 8 hours in bed every single night, and you still wake up feeling groggy and mentally drained every morning. That daily exhaustion never fully resolves no matter how many extra hours you spend lying in bed trying to recover. But it is not just fatigue, foe. Your afternoon concentration fades, and even simple decisions now demand real mental effort. Your sleeping position might actually be preventing your brain from clearing the toxic waste it accumulates throughout each waking day. Your brain's glymphatic waste removal system operates only during sleep, and poor positioning could be blocking this critical cleaning process. Your current sleep position may allow amyloid beta proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease to accumulate rather than drain from brain tissue. Glymphatic drainage clears 60% more toxic proteins when you sleep on your left side versus sleeping on your back tonight.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice from your doctor. Sleep position has been studied for heart and lung health for decades, and researchers are now examining its effect on brain drainage. The glymphatic system that clears toxic proteins, including amyloid beta, appears to function better in certain sleep positions specifically. Emerging evidence suggests that left-side sleeping may significantly enhance this critical waste clearance process inside your aging brain tissue. Today, I cover what that evidence actually shows and which specific patients benefit most from this simple free intervention tonight.
A 2015 study proved that sleeping on your side dramatically improves brain waste clearance, and the left side works best. Your physical sleeping position directly and measurably influences how efficiently your brain drains toxic waste proteins every single night.
A landmark 2015 study published in the Journal of NESP tested different sleep positions in controlled animal models. Lateral side sleeping showed significantly better glymphatic transport efficiency than either back sleeping or stomach sleeping positions combined. Left lateral positioning appeared to specifically optimize cerebrospinal fluid flow based on the brain's underlying anatomical structure overall. The heart also pumps more efficiently when lying on the left side, and improved cardiac output supports better cerebral drainage. That improved cerebral blood flow helps maintain the pressure gradients that drive cerebrospinal fluid through your glymphatic pathways efficiently. Fragmented sleep reduces slow-wave stages, which is exactly when your glymphatic cleaning system is most active and most effective overnight. Researchers at Stony Brook University concluded that sleeping position genuinely matters for maximizing overnight brain waste clearance efficiency overall. Large-scale human randomized trials are still ongoing, and the mechanistic evidence supporting lateral sleep is compelling and remarkably consistent. The potential upside of this simple position change is significant, and the intervention costs absolutely nothing at all for you.
Most people sleep in whatever position they fall into, and consciously training yourself to sleep on your left side actually works. Transitioning your sleep position is completely achievable with a few simple and practical strategies you can start using from tonight.
Place a firm pillow behind your back to physically prevent yourself from rolling onto your back during the night unconsciously. Without knee support, hip discomfort forces your body to roll away from the protected left position before morning arrives. Even with pillows, a mattress that sinks too deeply causes spinal misalignment that makes sustaining the left position painful overnight. Begin the night consciously on your left side because your body often stays close to wherever it starts the night position. People with shoulder pain may need a thicker pillow under their head to keep the spine properly and comfortably aligned overnight. Patients with congestive heart failure should check with their cardiologist before changing sleep position because of specific cardiac considerations. Fortunately, most insurance plans, including Medicare, cover these sleep medicine consultations, making professional guidance fully accessible to you. The circulatory benefit that makes left side sleep mandatory for pregnant women confirms the same vascular mechanism protects your aging brain. Quality sleep in any lateral position is genuinely far better than poor fragmented sleep in any theoretically perfect sleep position. Most people adapt to a new preferred sleep position within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent and deliberate practice every night. Small nightly habits like this compound powerfully into meaningful and measurable brain protection over months and years of consistent practice.
I covered more crucial details on this exact topic in my full-length video, and the link is right on the channel page. Subscribe, tap like, and drop a comment below telling me which sleep position do you usually wake up in every single morning.